Welcome back to another Tech Basics tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign up to your account on DeepSeek using Google ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DeepSeek AI application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you will see the login and sign up options. Make sure to tap on the I agree checkbox to confirm with the terms of use and privacy policy, and now you can tap on continue with Google. When you tap this button, you will be asked to choose from the Google accounts that are connected to your device. In order to log in, choose the Google account that you previously used while signing up for your account. If you don't have an account already, you can also choose any Google account to start your sign up process. Once you click on your Google account, tap on the agree and share option, and this will use your Google account data to start creating your account right away. Just wait a few seconds and your account will be ready to use. Now you will end up within the homepage. If you tap the menu icon at the top left corner, this will show you your chat list. At the bottom section, you can find your account info, and you may change your account settings from here as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into the DeepSeek AI application using your Google ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.